Hi guys, so I want to come on here and just remind you to make sure that you enter into my weight loss giveaway that I have going on my channel. There is a video, we will link it right here for you. Go check it out, follow the rules, and you'll get entered in to win either a $75 gift card to Bariatric Pal, or we also have a second prize winner that is gonna get a box of a bunch of all my favorite snacks. So go check that video out. That is going to end tomorrow, so you have to get your entries in by tomorrow. We also have a wig giveaway that's going on as well. So if you are into wigs now, because I know I wear wigs because of hair loss due to surgeries, check it out. I'm giving away a wig up to $100 that you get to pick out from Chelsea Smith Cosmetics. And you also get a little wig essentials bundle of all the stuff that I cannot live without when it comes to putting on my wigs and taking care of my wigs. And then the second prize is gonna get that wig essentials bundle as well. So make sure you check that out. We'll put the video right there for you also. And then next Wednesday and next Friday, we will be announcing the winners. So Wednesday, we'll announce the winners for the wig giveaway. And then Friday, come back here and we will announce the winners for the weight loss giveaway. So go ahead and make sure you check those out. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you give me a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it, guys. And make sure you hit that little notification bell, because if you don't, you will not get any notifications on any videos I do in the future, including announcing those winners next week. This is gonna be short, simple, sweet. Just wanted to remind you guys, I don't want anybody to miss out on this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.